Watch out! Back it up! Alright, now you can go.
Another camera's battery dead.
Here.
Wait a man, you're driving a tractor?
Watch out! Back it up.
Put it in reverse.
Watch where you're going. Here, I got a guy. Oh, I do. Oh, whoa! A year later, Mama! Almost a year later. A year and 9 months. Actually, it's only been 9 months. What am I talking about? A year and 9 months. He got it on his 2nd birthday. But it still is brand new. It ain't ever been used, sir. You know what I mean? It hasn't been outside. It won't be new now. He'll have it out here. You're doing good. All right. As long as you've been on restriction, however long it's been. I think you started on the 9th of January. So it's been almost a month. Have you learned your lesson? What is it that you learned? What is it? What lesson did you learn? Mom, I want to get it on film. What lesson did you learn?
That I need to be responsible and clean up my room and do what I'm told, or do it. I need to do what y'all told me to do.
You sure you've learned that lesson? Look at little man going in reverse. All right, look at you. What happened? Yeah, he started going in reverse last night. At the end of when we stopped playing with it, he figured it out. You having fun on your tractor? That's how the battery runs out. That's the same charge, initial charge, when we first got the battery. Just got to go buy you another battery now, just in case. Since you are riding, now we're going to have to do a backup battery. What is it, Moses? What do you smell? Watch where you're going! Oh, put it in reverse! Stop! Put it in reverse. There you go, good boy. Alright, now you're doing good. He ran into the horse. Alright, say goodbye. I'm gonna take it. You can keep riding it, but I'm gonna turn off the camera, okay? I love you. Say bye. I'll see you later, alligator. In the month. Wave bye-bye. Say bye, Sister Sarah. Say bye, Moses. That's 7.5 minutes of video.